I know tons of people who just eat breakfast and lunch. They just skip dinner all the time for the most part, and like sometimes the late dinner. But for me, I feel like when I start eating in the morning, then I just feel more hungry throughout the rest of the day. So I personally do breakfast once a week, usually on Sundays, and it's actually brunch. But I really enjoy doing that once a week. And sometimes I'll do it twice a week, but then on those days, I'll make the choice to skip dinner. I'm eating 2 meals max and sometimes 1. So I'm either eating 1 meal a day or I'm eating 2 meals a day. And I'm making that conscious decision on which one I'm doing. It's either breakfast and lunch or lunch and dinner. I almost never skip lunch. Lunch is my favorite meal of the day, if I had to pick any of my favorite.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.